In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how easy it is to start your Kajabi trial. So the first thing that you'll do is click the link and you should land on a website that looks like this. You'll hit the basic plan to make sure that it's the lowest tier so that you're not paying for more than you need. If you hit limitations, you can always upgrade later and you'll know that you actually need those functions. I think you'll be perfectly fine on the basic plan for quite some time. You can either continue with Google or your email. I'm going to select email. Next, you'll just put in your first name, last name, email address, and password, and a payment information as well as your postal code. I would recommend starting on monthly. That way you can be sure that you like it before you upgrade to annual, which I do recommend once you're up and running, because that way you can save 20% on something that you plan to have for a long time. Over 5 years, you've got a whole year free and it just makes sense. So I'll go ahead and put my information in and I'll see you on the next screen. On the next page, it'll ask you to check your email and click the link inside to verify it. That email looks like this, and then you hit verify your email, and it will bring you into Kajabi. So your profile is created. You'll also notice that you've received an email from me for signing up through my affiliate link. So you will get your quote form playbook and the $100 off my Kajabi template pack for bookkeepers. All you have to do is click here to unlock the bonuses. And you'll say that you did use my link to sign up. You'll tell me how you signed up and what your email address was. And if your actual email is different from the email address that you used to create the account, you'll do this. This helps me just verify on the back end that I received credit. No action is required from you. And it would be helpful if you let me know how you found out about Kajabi through my link. Once you fill that in and you click submit, you will see your bonuses unlock for you. The first is the quote form playbook, which is my exact intake form questions and the post-submission email framework that I use to qualify potential new clients and warm them up before a sales call. You'll click this link and be prompted to make your free copy. Bonus number 2 is $100 off the bookkeeper template pack for Kajabi. This is your fastest path to a clean, professional website and high converting quote form, as well as so much more. When you click here, you'll be brought to the sales page and your discount will already be applied. You can watch this video to see everything that's inside, but you have a ton of pages here that will help you immediately be ready to launch your website and start selling. It includes the home and quote form, the thank you page after the quote request. It helps you customize your blog post, your login, your error page, your exit pop-up, your link in bio, your Zoom link, your thank you page for your new client, a client FAQ page, a digital product sales page, a thank you page for that purchase, a freebie, a thank you for the freebie, and an upsell from that freebie. These are amazing tools that you can unlock for just $397. They are not only created by a designer, but they're also the framework that I use to bring in new clients and get them on the email list, as well as convert them into smaller offers. So you can complete your purchase and stay tuned for the other video where I walk you through implementing this template pack and getting your website ready to go and start making sales.